Am I in frame? Oh. It's because I'm gifted with height. Have you ever missed breakfast before work? I hope not. Research says 100% chance of having a heart attack overnight on the NHS website. No, I did not inspect Element and change that. Pollution, solution. What else was solution? You missing your breakfast? My solution is the substitution. Basically, the thought is, aren't you tired in the morning? The last thing I want to do when I wake up is grab last thing I want to do is pick up a heavy old stainless steel spoon and go shoveling cereal in my mouth. There must be a better way. I'm tired when I wake up. I don't have my breakfast, or I forget. If it was easier to have breakfast, I probably would. Isn't that cool? Why don't we get a bunch of spoons and make them spin around really quickly so it shovels food into your mouth? That's as far as I've got. Think of the benefits. You'll never die again. Again? What's that? What's a spoon? It's a heavyweight object used for funneling food into somebody's mouth. They're about as useless as the massive guitar on the wall behind me. This is the finished product. There's a button, powered by 4 AA batteries. Press the button, the whole thing spins, and it should put the food in my mouth. So we have Cocoa Pops, a student version of Cocoa Pops. I was about to say I need a spoon. No, I don't. No, I do not. Right. Example number 1 is to use a spoon as intended. I can't really.
I'm not started yet.
Okay. Oh, there's Cocoa Pops been in the cupboard a little while. But now, if I was late, ready? You recording? Did I get it? No, I didn't get it, did I? Ow. Maybe if I try. I got one in. Yeah, maybe not. I'm a little bit more cleaned up now. I never really explained how it worked. So all it is a motor inside of this little barrel here, and then 4 AA batteries, which is probably worked out on the back, and then just a little push button. That did used to work. How weird. It didn't quite work as I expected. Well, actually, I expected it to be that terrible. I ended up getting a lot of bloopers for this video. If you have any more ideas that are as non-functional as this, put them in the comments below. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. Potentially subscribe if you enjoyed it that much. I have a much bigger project in the works, so that's why this video didn't really take as long. The next video should be of a much higher quality. So one last thing, somebody on my last video said that I should make a Discord. Don't really know why, but I made one. The link will be below in the description. Join it if you want to. I don't know, what is the point? What is the point of a Discord? So yeah, if you want to join the Discord to suggest any more videos, or if you want to find out about how I made some of the things, you can message me on there and you'll get quicker response times than you would off YouTube or Twitter. I've got an area where you can ask questions about if you're doing similar projects that I am, if you get stuck, or if you want, you know, just some general advice on how to go about doing something, you can ask in there and hopefully somebody will be able to help you. And I've made some games on there. I've got Hangman on there, where you play Hangman with the game, and we've got a chat where you count. So the game is, so if I put 1, I can't put 2. I've got to wait for someone else to put 2, and then I put 3, and then 4. If you break the rules, the bot deletes your message. And we'll just see how far we can get in the Discord, like what number we could get to in the Discord. We didn't know a name for the Discord, so we went for Internet Chavs. Anyway, thank you Northampton nurses for watching my videos and supporting the channel, and thanks Mum for spreading awareness of my videos. What is a rhyme? Solution, malnutrition. That's not a word. Solution. Okay. My solution is prostitution. Are you missing breakfast? My solution, prostitution. Do you like living life on the edge? I know I do. And my mummy's friends from work have been watching my videos. So shout out to the nurses from Northampton.